Today's episode is 70's snoring raptune of the Birch Std countdown snoring. Enjoy the video.
44. This is the last snoring raptune for today, and I'm going to close it immediately. So, what do you want from my snore rap club?
I want you to do a snoring raptune of the Birch Std countdown snoring.
Alright, final snoring raptune coming up.
Hey 70, can you do a snoring raptune for me?
I'm sorry Evil 69, the Snore Queen ran out of snoring compilations, and my snore rap club is closed. She's exhausted because of all the snoring clips she records. Give her a long break and let her concentrate on some of Season 6, then she'll move up to Season 7.
That's enough snoring raptunes for today. Stay tuned for episode 572.
Yep.